Hey guys, this is your in-house sales executive, Mr. Alexis Public of Innova Homes Realty Corporation and Innova Homes North Incorporated. I would like to give you guys the remaining townhouse units dito sa ating Roma Subdivision. It is located at Mendoza Street, Barangay Saog Marilao Bulacan. We have here guys our 3 remaining townhouse unit natin that you can avail. So ito yung unang townhouse unit natin na available. Bali makalat lang siya ngayon na binibidyohan ko. Pero kapag nag-avail po kayo nitong townhouse natin na ready for occupancy or RFO, lilinisin at for retouch naman ng ating developer before i-turn over sa inyo ang townhouse unit and acceptance of keys. You can avail our remaining townhouse units through PagIbig Financing. Our reservation fee is 15,000, that is non-refundable pero part na yun ng ating total down payment required. And take note guys, meron tayong developer's policy about the RFO Townhouse Unit na may cash out at least 20% cash out sa down payment. And in this townhouse unit na nakikita ninyo ay ang lot area is 49 square meter and the floor area is 47 square meter. Guys, para may idea kayo sa ating standard inner townhouse unit natin, the lot area is 46 square meter and the floor area is 44 square meter. Na yung first floor natin is 22 square meter, also the second floor is 22 square meter. The standard carport natin is 4x5 ang sukat. So out of 3 remaining townhouse units sa ating Roma Subdivision is dalawa doon ay end unit and the other one is corner lot townhouse unit. So once you avail in our townhouse unit, again guys, this is through PagIbig Financing. So it is developers assisted. Meron na po itong free installation of water supply, that is prime water, free installation of our electricity supply, that is Meralco. Developer assisted na rin yung inyong PagIbig requirements up to approval, and meron na rin tayong free one-time na conversion of title and transfer of title, developers assisted. So ito guys yung secondary road mula dun sa main road na available, isa sa mga remaining townhouse unit natin dito sa Roma Subdivision. So guys, yung mga pinapakita ko sa inyo mga available na remaining townhouse unit natin dito sa Roma Subdivision, its condition is new and fresh townhouse unit. So kapag okay po sa inyo yung ating design sa townhouse unit, our price computation and the approval of your requirements, once na ma-turn over sa inyong townhouse unit, ay pwede na ninyong ipa-improvements or for modification ng inyong own preference design. So your floor area can extend up to your property line. So ito guys, available natin na sinasabi ko sa inyo kanina na isa doon ay corner lot townhouse unit na malapit siya sa social hall and basketball court, which is our available amenities for any recreational activities for you and your family. And this is along main road. Makikita ninyo ang available natin na corner lot townhouse unit is Mediterranean design with conventional construction method, and the lot area nito is 51 square meter and the floor area is 54 square meter. And my dear future clients, lastly, ito yung available natin out of 3 townhouse unit. The townhouse unit is also end type unit with the lot area of 56 square meter and the floor area is 42 square meter. So it is located at the secondary road up to the main road. And that is all guys, if you wanted to avail one of our townhouse units natin dito sa ating Roma Subdivision, which is also guys available din ang ating residential Regina Subdivision located at Lumadigato, Marilao, Bulacan, ang ating Terraza Marta Malolos located at Lucero Street, Barangay Mabola, Malolos, Bulacan, and our Terraza Marta Tarlac Subdivision located at Barangay Tibagan, Tarlac City. Brought to you by our very promising developer Innova Homes Realty Corporation and Innova Homes North Incorporated, offers you a middle-end or mid-end townhouse unit house and lot. As we build your homes, we build your future. For our house tour, daily free tripping, and reservation, kindly contact me caption below guys. Again, this is your in-house sales executive, Mr. Alexis Publico. Watch out for more videos. Like and share. Also avail guys. See you and thank you.